Well folks, welcome back to a fresh YouTube video. I hope you all like the last one we put on. I hope you're enjoying these regular updates as well. Keep smashing them comments and likes, it's good. Just thought to show you, all the cars have gone now. The RAV4's gone, they've all gone. I've just got this one left, which I need to drop off, but he'll have to wait for this morning because I am flat out with this wood job. Now Luke's going to got more logs this morning with Chrissy. He's going to get another 6 crates worth of mixed hardwood. So he's going to get that. I'm on the way down to open up the unit. I think today we've got, what is it? Probably about 30 nets of logs to drop off. And 2 ton bags of pallet chops, offcuts, and about, I think, 4 or 5 ton bags of logs. So this whole Blingo is going to be worked today. So one order will have to go on the Sprinter van because he's ordered 3 ton bags at the same property, so we'll drag them off up there. So yeah, it's all good. I keep saying that as well. I keep noticing it. I keep saying it's all good. So right, let's get down the unit and open up.
Well, me and Chris have just got back with logs. Dean's busy as hell here. He's on with this. This is going in. Go on, Dino. Are you going in there, bud?
Yeah, let me lift that up, bud.
Get them handles in, Chris. Come on, to me a bit. Down. Go back a bit, D. There we go, we got it. Up at that. You want to go and guide him out, Chris? Have that, Chris. That's going. They're just all just heat treated, no chemicals, and them just plain old softwood. But people love them. Then what logs you've just got are absolutely bang on. Yeah, good ones. Chris the Banksman. This is where Dean writes his van off. You able to drive that, Dean?
I think so, yeah. I got me last time the phone plate box.
What, Kellogg's? Frosties?
Frosties.
Oh mate, we're there. Yeah, Chrissy, shut your door. Non-stop down here, it's bad for parking, but you've got to do what you've got to do. Get a seat back at van. That's it. Tilt back at that, Dino.
He's on.
He's on. First one in, we'll squeeze 2 of these big sacks in here. Bit of godsend, that little Blingo. Yeah. Well, sorry about that, battery just went on us. We're getting these batteries, we had to buy a cheap set, but we lost the proper ones. But the proper ones weren't any better than these, they keep going flat. This is on 100% now, but we've gone in half an hour, probably that. This is just trying to struggle in there. I'll get you a piece of wood to push it with a stacker. Right, let's get these loaded up, then we'll show you some bagging some logs in a minute. Right, Dean's gone with Chris, they're going to get rid of that wood now. Bloke's ordered another ton bag, so I'm going to get out of the back of this truck in a minute. I'm going to get reversed in, get stacker in, we'll get them filled with these big dumpy bags, get them sorted. Right, these are the all hardwood, it's all kiln dried. You see nice big chunky pieces. All nice and kiln dried them. There's 6 RBC crates on there. So, if you use the wood game, you know how much that is. I think it's about 12 to 14 big dumpy bags. I'll stack a truck in there. But like I say, you can't go wrong with kiln dried. Saves all hassle. Season's alright, not going to slag season off, it's good. But you're not guaranteed. If you're going to store it yourself, there's no issue. But if you want this ready to burn straight away, you've got to get it kiln dried. So I'm going to get this log bag filled up for Dean. I'm going to get a brew. Right, Chris is just filling this bag up for me and Dean now. He's on like a climb up there, it's like a gazelle.
Like a little whippet, aren't I?
Chrissy gazelle. These are the hardwood. There's all the mix. All good stuff, all kiln dried. Oh, that's one they put on my foot. Good job of trying my boots on. All splitting at ends. All less than 20% moisture, these. So if you're interested in one of them, how much are them, the bag, Dean?
They're just, like, say, 100 quid.
They're 100 quid a bag, dropped off within 10-15 mile of Burnley. So if you're local and you want some, you give us a shout and we'll get you on them sorted.
100%.
Yeah, other one going out now, so that's going to get loaded up. So if you're in the market for any of that, but also the same stuff goes in the log nets, which is £6 a bag. So, and the kindling the fibre, Dean's able to explain that thing. So if you want one, get in touch. What are you saying, Chris? What do you reckon to Tuesday morning? Are you loving life?
Fantastic. Early starts again for me.
6:30 here again, right?
Yeah.
No messing.
Got my van ready for this morning.
Few people on Facebook saying that Ciron's got jail time written all over it, mate. It's complete chav. You need to get rid of it and get your license done.
I'll be able to catch them in water. Might put a whip it.
You know what I mean? We can only do so much with him when he don't listen to us. He's like a child, aren't you, Chris? You don't listen to anything to us. So anyway, we'll get him loaded up. Right, Dean's gone again. He's out just dropping some nets or logs off. Stuff he can do on his own. Me and Chris are being left to fill the ton sacks, which is not a big issue. He just smacked me at nuts. We messed him that bag there and slapped it when I stood at the side, smacked me at nuts. So that just knocked me sick.
Yeah, boy.
Cheers for that, Chris. Nice to do that, pal. Appreciated and all that stuff.
Ripped all my jeans, yeah.
Oh, he's ripped all his jeans, which good jeans as well. But we have supplied him with PPE. He leaves them at his mum's, and he don't. Well, we haven't seen him for the chainsaw pants we supplied him with, and we haven't seen him since
back in morning.
6 months. We haven't seen him. Do you reckon he was going to fetch these back at morning or not? Slinting on chance, I reckon.
Of course I'll fetch them back. I'm a good boy.
Yeah, whatever, Chris. Yeah, Dean's sold 2 more bags of offcuts, so he's going to deliver them with crates. They're going to the local next town, Rishton. I don't know where these are going, but his orders in for him. So if you're interested in that stuff, it's all mixed hardwood, all lovely and dry, all less than 20%. Get in touch or come and collect it from us. We're down on Fleetwood Road in Padiham, Lancashire. So if you want to come and collect it, no issue. Cash or card. That's about it. I'll show you a bit in the office. I don't know if Dean's already showed you this morning, but I'll show you again because I don't know. Have a quick look over. Just got well, that's a wall we're doing. Just got a couple of courses to do at top there, and should be fine. Electricians come and these are all working now. These are all live. So Dean's on about getting a TV up there. Diesel heaters going on roof because we're not allowed an open flame fire in the unit what we rent. The landlord said if we do that we're out, so we can't do that. So we're going to go down the diesel heater like you see on TikTok and eBay. So that's what we're going to do in here. It's a 5 or an 8 kilowatt, can't get my words out, kilowatt. Dean's got it off eBay, I think about 60 quid, with a 12 volt inverter, which plugs it 230 down to 12 volt. So that's going on roof and going to get piped in through its ceiling. So that'll be alright. Like I say, I've got that wall to finish at the back there. Get that boxed off, done. Then we can start getting it stocked in here. Dean can start stocking it, getting these random bits and bats in. But we've done it on purpose. We've done it with the door at this end and the counter at that end for the simple reason we want people walking past stuff, and when they're coming in here to pay, when I'm directing them in to pay, Dean can be down there and they can be upselling some random stuff on the way down. So it's all about marketing, isn't it? Keep it going. So yeah, that's about it. Anyway, I'll give Dean camera and he'll take you up deliveries with him and Chris, main man.
Right folks, we're back. Just got another order in to drop these 2 ton bags of logs off. See if Luke can master the forklift. Nope, by the looks of it, nope. Just can't get the staff. Up a bit, badge. Electrician's just here now. He's put the socket fronts on. I don't know if Luke's already showed you. Socket fronts on now, just got the top run to do. And then we'll be right. I can get that boxed off. I need to get the other ton bag at back pulled out. Everything's going on today. It's busy, which is good. Trying to get organised, which is the main thing. There's a scrap lad down there, bit looks of it. Full load of scrap on. But yeah, no, it's busy. It's busy. I don't know if I'll get time to pick the Mini up today because, like I said, the wood's more. There's more money in the wood for us at the minute, so money comes first with that. Don't know if Luke showed you these. We just had a load of 6 foot tannalised fence lats come in, brand new. There's about 500 and odd of them. 4x1, but it's all tannerised, good, it's good for fencing that. So I'm just going to put them up for sale. For a right good tidy up. That's going to go to the auction. The old table saw. The wheels are going to the auction. The green tubs are going to the auction. That's full of auction tackle, them 2 tubs. So we're going to get rid of all that. Make a bit of space, but space is key. Everything's just getting full up already. That office needs to come down. Stuff on top of there needs to go to auction. I need to get a ton bag of red coal. It's just never ending, boys and girls. But as like I say, we'll just keep trying to get these 15-20 minute videos on for you every day, and see if you enjoy them, which you look like you are doing at the minute, so that's good. Right, I need to get this loaded up, a few more bits around it, and get them delivered to the customers. Right, we're just filling a ton bag up now. What sort of wood's in here, Luke?
So, just like I say, it's all mixed there. It's all ash. Older.
Beech.
Silver birch, beech.
Mainly ash, or is it? Is it mainly ash or not?
No, not mainly
no.
ash, no. Like I say, bit of white birch, silver birch, bit of cherry. It's literally a mixed bag. But
it's all good stuff in it.
It's all less than 20%.
You can tell when you clap them together like that, they're dry.
Tell you what, if that's in there all cracking at ends.
Oh, back of your head. You know about it, wouldn't
you? The place where we picked them up from, they've got them stacked high, so
yeah,
that fell off.
Loads of them.
You'd know about it.
So it's quite busy today. These ones are going to Burnley at 4:30. There's 2 ton bags and 5 bags of kindling.
It all comes in at once, but like I say, instead of the storm brewing.
So yeah, there's meant to be weather warning for wind at end of week, but I think there's snow.
I bought from Acton. He said I've been rewatching the weather. He said it's getting cold, so I'm going to stock up on them. So he said the last one burnt well.
Yeah, well, that's good.
That's a great job.
Yeah, so that my van's full now. I'll show you the van. Chris is just stacking that up.
Do we need any kindling in there? Yeah.
Not for this order. What will like it back, Chris? Oh, it's full. Look, it's kicking it. Put your up and door again, bud, and show him. We're brimmed. It's alright, don't have that one. There's 2 ton sacks of pallet wood and 10 log nets to go out to customers in a place called Acton and a place called Accrington. And like we just said, there's Luke's just making 2 more up now, and then there's another one just coming in the place called Iron, which is a little town near us, a little village. So yeah, it's all busy.
It's literally like buses, isn't it? Quiet.
Yeah, quiet for a day, then all of a sudden bang.
But like I say, we had a quiet week last week. We were like panicking, do we? Is it right thing? And then all of a sudden it comes back again, doesn't it?
Yeah. I want to get this pallet wall done as well. I want to sit in my office and give orders out.
Hopefully Diesel league to be here tomorrow.
I want to boss people about in there.
Electrician's nearly finished now.
Yeah.
So that's all good. You can, like say, you can direct and call everyone.
Yeah.
Get your tannoy if you want, like petrol station.
100%. Right, I'm going to take you with me anyway on the deliveries. We're shooting off now, me and Chris, so let's go. Well, people, we've just bought that, what did I say, whatever Varo van earlier on in the video. I've just been and paid for it. 15 plate, non-runner. Seems like, I don't know if it's electrical fault, but when you try winding it over, it will spinning over fast on key, so I'm not sure. It might just be an electrical problem, I'm not sure. Drop the wood off, that's gone all paid for, which is the main thing, getting that money in the bank. There's a big wagon blocking my unit, so I can't get in. But yeah, my brother's down here, my other brother Peter is just having a quick brew, so I'm going to have a brew with him, have a catch up, because he's the one who's going to be plastering my house, so we'll get some details on that and when he can start. And then 3 more ton bags to go out, and then we'll go on video picking that van up. So yeah, busy, and it's all good. See you soon. Well folks, I haven't picked the van up yet. I'm too busy with these bloody logs. So that's going to be on tomorrow's video. Got a bit of mark on the camera. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it there for this one. The van's fully loaded up. Just going to go and deliver them up. And yeah, get them dropped off. Keep that money coming in, boys and girls. You know, let's go. And then they're going to go and get me hair chopped. Because it looks like I've just been dug up. So, right. Don't forget, people, keep commenting, liking and subscribing. Hit the notification bell. And I hope you're enjoying these daily vlogs and updates. So, see you on the next one, guys.